Lock bumping, a surprisingly simple method of breaking through locked doors and padlocks, is undoubtedly the newest emerging threat to personal property security, and the majority of locks in use today are particularly vulnerable to bumping. Bump keys are not only offered for sale, virtually anyone can make one in less than 5 minutes. In a typical door lock, such as this 5-pin cylinder, the gap between the pins across the shear line and the slight torque being applied to the key causes the cylinder to rotate and open the lock. Let's look at the action now in slow motion. The key impacts the pins, pushing them suddenly upward. The pins reach their apex, and the energy catapults the lower pins downward, opening a separation between the pins. As the separation crosses the shear line, the torque being applied to the key allows the cylinder to turn, opening the lock. A padlock cylinder, which usually has fewer pins, can be bumped in exactly the same way. As a world leader in security hardware, Master Lock has stepped forward to create a revolutionary new lock that has proven to be 4 times more bump resistant than the toughest proposed industry standard for bump resistance. And it's also capable of detecting bump attempts. The main component of the new bump stop technology is an innovative new top pin design. The pin has a reverse taper on its end. With its oversized tumbler diameter, the pin is prevented from fully entering the plug. In this sequence, showing Master Lock's new door hardware bump stop cylinder, note that the new pin isn't moved in the bump process. Now let's take a look at it in slow motion. The key impacts the pins, pushing them suddenly upward. In the bump stop chamber, the lower pin still moves upward and contacts the reverse tapered upper pin, but it doesn't have enough energy to move it above the shear line. Since the new pin never clears the shear line, the cylinder cannot be turned and the door lock cannot be opened. The new Master Lock bump stop padlock cylinder works in exactly the same way. Since the new pin never clears the shear line, the cylinder cannot be turned and the padlock cannot be opened. From padlocks to door hardware, Master Lock's patent-pending bump stop technology will be available in all Master Lock pin tumbler products. Master Lock offers a complete line of bump stop door hardware, including deadbolts, residential keyed entry, commercial levers, knobs, and deadbolts, and our exclusive Night Watch deadbolts. All are available in a wide array of popular finishes at a fraction of the cost of other bump-resistant alternatives. Master Lock will be your first line of defense against bumping in padlocks, with a wide range of padlocks available with bump stop. Whether it's a trailer on a remote job site location or your backyard shed, you'll have the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're protected by bump stop.
The padlocks are not going to be as easily bumped as well as other locks that are out there.
I was talking to some of the other locksmiths and we were saying we were going to walk away feeling a little defeated today because we're used to walking up to any lock out there and, you know, boom, boom, we're in.
The solution that Master Lock has found for key bumping is not only a very elegant piece of engineering, but very well done that it can be retrofitted into the current product.
Thanks to Master Lock's remarkable breakthrough in cylinder design, you can be confident that when it comes to bumping, the bump stops here. Available exclusively in Master Lock and American Lock products.